Hello, bonjour. Today I will show you the different possibilities you can make with milk. I taught you how to do the almond, the coconut, the cashews, the cashew milk. I will teach you other milk as well. But also today I want to show you that you can combine the nuts or the seeds to make a different milk. And also I created a table that I will put the link into the description, and that table tells you, like for example, if you want a milk that has less fat content, you will choose cashews. If you need more fat in your diet, then you would choose macadamia. And so, like here I have macadamia nut, Brazil nuts, almonds, cashews, desiccated coconut, you know we use that, oat, sprouted oat, hemp hearts, and sesame seeds. You can do a milk with any of these alone, stand alone, or you can combine them. So if you want the fat, less protein, so depending on what you have at home. So that gives you option. But just to give you an idea today, let's do it together. So for example, I would like to do a milk for me today that has less fat. So I'm going to use cashews, I'm doing a ½ liter. So the recipe is 40 grams, so now I'll do 20. So if I want to do a combination, I do 10. So if it's 20 grams that I need for my milk, and I use 10 of cashews, then I use 10 of something else. And I would like to use, let's see, I'm going to use the Brazil nuts, because Brazil nuts are selenium, which is not easy to get. Okay, let's blend. And that gives you a beautiful milk, very white, lovely. Let's see, because we know that cashews doesn't have pulp. I think that Brazil nut doesn't have much pulp either. Let's find out. So remember, we put our thumb and our index finger. Well, yeah, there is some pulp here at the bottom. Closer to the pulp as possible. Yes, there is a little of pulp, a little bit. So again, it just depends what you do. If you use the milk for cereal, it's okay, you know, because you're gonna have, it's not like a latte or even a smoothie. You can, when you have a smoothie, you can just directly, you don't have to strain the milk. Okay, so we did that. I'll rinse my jar. Here we go. Back into the blender jar. And we add 10 grams because I did half a recipe. So I will add 10 grams of the date paste. A little bit more. There we go. And for the salt, I mean, I'm not going to separate a pinch. I will just put it in. Vanilla the same, a smidgen. And then the 𝘊𝘆𝐶𝘂𝗍. There we go. We've got it all. And we blend. Just a little. There. And you know what's fun doing that? Is by mixing nuts or seeds together, you might find a flavor that you really, really like. So that's fun for that. Salty. Oh, it's very nice. You have an undertone of the Brazil nut, but it's not overpowering. And then the cashew is sweet, so it really comes out. It's lovely. So there you go. Off you go to do your experiment now. Enjoy.